Good evening, Satya. I'm back with an indicator that basically helps you to take the entries in the market. Okay, and I think last time I had told you that I am using Bill Williams method, in which there is a slight change which suits the trading profession. Okay, making good profit. Suppose if you buy here, this is your minimum, like it is 7 rupees 60 paisa, it will be minimum. So in this case it is around 25%. So it is an example that you can make 25 to 30% aram se with the investment of 25,000 rupees. Also you can make 5,000 rupees within a month or 2 months based on such indicators. Okay, you want to trade Nifty, you can trade Nifty. Now tell me, when it is 200, see what I will give you the complete detail of this. The one is a fractal indicator. It is based on the fractal, what we have designed based on the fractal. That is one indicator that I have already told you once. The other one is Bill Williams alligator indicator. Okay, Bill Williams alligator indicator, right? Okay, we don't have a momentum indicator here. You can use awesome oscillator also. That we will teach you when we are going to when you take a training. We will teach you how to use a momentum oscillator along with this. Okay. Now there are minimum conditions. We have to understand the minimum condition. There is one more line that is we are coding still. We want to code it. There is one more indicating line inside this. That is change in the trend. So we are trying to code it. Now let's understand. Let's break it down. For example, if you take a decision based on 1 hour, how much money you can make? Definitely you can make a lot of money. One of the condition of this is that break up the fractal and say this is price is away from 200. This is 200. Price is away from 200. When it is broken here, the fractal is broken here, and you can see there is a red dot over here. I will zoom in. Wait a minute. Okay, I'll zoom in. Okay, this I am showing you only on the Nifty. Yeah? See, it gives us, of course, there is a first method is that Bill Williams says whenever the price crosses below the red line, you can go short, and the stop is here as per the Bill Williams. Let me explain you. Stop is here as per the Bill Williams. When it goes here, you can go short. No, we don't do that stupidity. We wait for the price to come and it has to be away from 200. So the magnet system works in this. What we do is we wait for this red signal to come, or we wait for this to close below the blue line. Once the blue line is closed, we sell. Okay, once the blue line is closed, we sell, and our stop is now here. Remember, according to Bill Williams, once this is crossed, you can sell here and the stop is here. According to us, once the blue line is closed, our stop is here. Okay, there is a condition for that. So it comes, it makes a fractal here, it makes a sideways, then it breaks. It comes to 200. We will see how the 200 reacts. It comes below the 200, it makes a flag type pattern. So we trial our stop here because it is reducing. It is on 1 hour. यहाँ पे 1 घंटे में अगर छोटा कैंडल बनता है तो हम लोग यहाँ पे रखेंगे ना, because we are short from here. We want to book our profit over here. So it rises. But when it rises and closes here on 1 hour, on the at 3:15, no, on 11:15. Okay, on 12:15 it's okay. When it closes here, at this time you can see all three lines are separated, indicating that downtrend is not ended, downtrend is not complete. So what we do is we wait for break of this fractal, we sell again. Or we can go to the lower time frame. I will give you how the lower time frame works in a couple of minutes. We can go to the lower time frame, and when we notice this close of this strong green candle, so we know that it is going to collapse because all three in 1 hour are open. So we go to the lower time frame, we can sell it. Even if you use higher time frame 1 hour, sell it. Again it made a one more fractal, sell it. Then it made a inside bar. It made an inside bar. That means we are going to place our stop over the here. And again it went back. And here it gave a actually buy signal. If any close, if pullback and any close above this green is in a buy setup for upside move, right? That is an indication. Here it gave a buy signal, and here it gave a sell signal, but sell signal did not violate the low of this fractal. So we will wait. When this was violated, actually officially you should sell it here, and your stop should be here. This, or hard stop is this, basically. Because of this particular leg, the depth of the leg, what we do is we suggest for hard stop to be this, and you can sell here, and you can see from here there is a pullback. Again from there again it gave a very beautiful green candle, very beautiful breakdown, and market started going down. Market started going down. See, every time when it gives us such a pattern, you make money, you make minimum 200 to 300 points in the Nifty, 200 to 300 points in the Nifty, 200. There is no need to cover your short sells if you know how to trade it. Because see, here it was very near to the 200, then it slightly away from 200, then it is more than this away, then this is the largest away from 200. Once we know that, we have one stroke 2, stroke 3, we will cover here, that's all. We don't care because it is far away from 200. Again, when it made one more this thing set up here, look at here, again it gave a new low. Once new low is made, higher low is made, you are going to get out. Okay. So on the lower time frame, for example, Krishna, I trade on 15 minutes, no issues. You trade on 5 minutes, I don't care. कहाँ गया है भाई? Where it went? I am sorry, but where it went? 1 second. Sometimes they create a very crazy. Krishna, I trade in 15 minutes. Okay, you have it in 15 minutes. Oh, it's here. I'm sorry. It's here. See, let's come to from the top of it. The second failure. Exactly here I was telling you that we are not sure about it going up because of this particular rally, and we sold from here 24,600 and the stop was here. It came, then it gave us up to nearly 23,500, almost 23,500. 1,000 points we made on Nifty. Yes, of course, we know how to trade it. Suppose, for example, on the recent days, recent days, you see, it is so simple. It is away from 200. Point number 1. It has given a buy setup here. Then it has given a sell setup here. But it got down, and then we got a buy setup above the green line, which is higher low. So stop is here, entry is here. You got this money. Then it has made some hanky pattern. When it closes above 200, again it went up by 200-300 points. Okay. but 200 300 points. What happened after that? You got a sell signal, but you are above the 200. You are not going to sell it. You will wait for the price to come and bounce from 200. It made a 1 2 3 then 4. I mean, it made basically what it made is we call it as an A 1 2 3, then we are going bounce, kaboom. And here this was the very strongest breakout. But what happened on that day is that only this 15 minutes made, and then we have one more buy setup here, and alligator is sleeping. My friends, one second. Alligator is sleeping and it is above 200. Look at here, alligator is sleeping. Here the alligator is still open on this break, but here the alligator is sleeping. So we made a buy here. Next day we got a gap up and we made this nice move. From here to here, it was almost around about 250 points. And it's a shame if we don't accept the fact that Bill Williams was really a genius person. Can we trade in 1 minute? Yes. Can we trade in 3 minutes? Yes. You can trade in 3 minutes. What about your broker software? Yes, your broker also has this, but you need some education to trade this. Same thing. Price close above green, higher low. Actually, after this 5 minutes, this is purr. Once you find this, you can exit. You can wait for this to 200 to come. What happened here? It made a ramp, then it made a flag here. We are here. We are in here. We bought it. We bought actually here. Excuse me. We bought actually here. We made a buy. Our stop was this. It made a new high, came down, made a new high, made a lower high, then it stood there. So our buy was here, our stop was here. Then we increased our stop to here because it made a new signal here. Kaboom! It made up to this place. So it is almost, we know that it is made up to this place. It closed below red. It just came and closed red. It made a new high. So we are out from here because we got a red signal here, we are out. We got a buy signal here, we are in. That's how simple it is. We got a buy signal here, we are in from this. We got a red signal here, we are out from the long position. We got a buy signal again at the same price, no problem. We don't mind paying the brokerage. We have started getting buy signals again and again. We know it's the next phase of the consolidation. Then gap up. Buy signal again on the gap up. We made an exit because we know buy signal on the gap up means it's going to pull down. Okay, on 3 minutes. Again, gap up, came down, it made this thing. Again, we entered at the same level. Again, as long as this gives us me, we gave a red signal, we made an exit, we entered here. We don't mind losing 10 points, 20 points. But whenever the red signal comes, we exit. It came and then again it closed above, it gave a buy signal here based on the technical understanding. But here also there was an entry, this thing. Then it gave a red signal, we made an exit here right now. And we are waiting 1, 2, 3, and then we are waiting for this down move. You got this point? If you understand this, can we do it on 1 minute? Yes, of course we can do it on 1 minute. You want me to share it to you on 1 minute? Yes, I'll share it to you on 1 minute. This is 9:17 morning hours. 9:17 morning hours. You can look it in the very carefully. You look at, my friends. It is 9:15 candle. It made a gap. It made a sharp up, down. There was a buy signal, and from this to this, it is nearly around about 100 points. And if you bought on 1 minute, if you have bought a call here on 100 points, you would have made 40 points as a profits in your call. You bought one lot also, you would have made around about one lot call also, you would have made about, excuse me, you would have made about around 75 into 40, that is around 3000 rupees. That's how simple it is. It is very simple to use. Say it's a flat here, it made a buy signal, you buy it, go, you got a sell signal, you exit here. You got a sell signal, you make an exit here. You got a buy signal, you enter, and then you later realize it. Actually on 5 minutes, when you turn the table to the 5 minutes, you will realize that there is a still move to pending. Okay, so that you can take a decision. Okay, because it is not far away from it is not far away from the 200, right? Only when it goes far away from 200, it will come back to 200. Only when it goes far away from 200, like this, it went far away from it came to 200. Okay, it went far away from 200, it came to 200. It slightly went away and then came. So this is again on the reverse side. This went far away from 200. What happened? Surr, it went back. So it is simple to use, my friends. Don't panic yourself. You can make money, you can mint money, but you need this indicator to help you. What happened? You don't have to go for the subscription in the trading view. No, you don't have to go. We will send you the code. You code it yourself, pin to pin, makke ka makke aap code karke, this indicator will be yours only. Any updates, we will give you an updated indicator within 1 year. ठीक है? We will add you all these things. We will add momentum indicator also. We will give you that update. Excuse me. I shifted to rural area actually because of the heat. थोड़ा जंगल वाला घर के लिए आया हूँ. क्या जंगल वाला घर नहीं है, जंगल तो चला गया. ठीक है. कितना मिनट हो गया भाई? 17 मिनट हो गया क्या? ठीक है. So this is the reality. On the daily, when I check this, now what you see is we are below 200. We are not above 200, we are below 200. If you want any buy setup has to take place, it has to cross the 200, then give a pullback at 200, and then only it is a buy setup. समझ में आया? अगर आपको मेरी बात समझ में आ गई है, it is very good. अगले महीने का सॉरी, एंड बीच में थोड़ा वो ट्रेनिंग का भी चल रहा था. आई हैड टू शिफ्ट एंड ट्रेनिंग इज गोइंग इंटेंस. तो मार्च में 4 लोग ज्वाइन हुए हैं, नॉट मच पीपल गॉन, एंड दे आर गेटिंग दिस इंडिकेटर. दिस इंडिकेटर विल कॉस्ट यू 9,000 रुपीज़ एंड इट इंक्लूड्स इन द पैकेज ऑफ 85,000 रुपीज़. 85,000 का पैकेज में ये इंक्लूडेड है. और आपका ब्रोकर साइट में भी आप इसको डाल सकते हो. थोड़ा बहुत मैं आपको सेट करके दे सकता हूँ. जूम में आ जाओ, मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, आपका सेट हो जाएगा ब्रोकर साइट में भी. ठीक है. सो दिस इज हाउ वी वर्क बेसिकली. और क्या है, चलो देखते हैं. मंडे वी विल मीट. ओके, थैंक यू.